Welcome back. Patrick Stone from Emmanuel Baptist Church is joining us to tell us about a super fun event coming up this weekend, just in time for the 4th of July.
Absolutely. Hey, thanks very much for having me on. So this is our 10th event. It's a totally free event there at Memorial Park, right across from our church in Webb City. It's a fantastic time that we get to celebrate the freedom that we have in America. We also are celebrating the veterans that we have, current military, and also just celebrating that we get the freedom to worship Jesus Christ.
Mm-hmm. And very fitting that you're having it at Memorial Park.
And it is, thank you for the city of Webb City to help us out there. Webb City Fire Department, there's multiple other entities that are helping us out.
Let's talk a little bit about the details of the event. It all kicks off at 6 o'clock tomorrow evening.
Yep, we're going to have registration at 5:30. I'll get there early, start setting up bounce houses, snow cone machines, things like that to get everybody riled up about that. Food will start at 6 o'clock. Then we're going to, from 6 o'clock to 7:45, we'll be eating, and we have some special music guests there. Our choir will be singing and things like that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What you mentioned food. What type of food can we expect?
So we're going to have hamburgers, hot dogs, all the things that you'd find at a 4th of July picnic, but all this is free. Our church has been doing this for 10 years, and that's one of the reasons I'm wearing this big hat, because it's a big celebration for us.
Yeah, and you wanted to be almost as tall as me today, right?
Yeah, because I'm pretty short, So it's a great event for us. We're super excited. I think that people are ready to get out, and they're going to be coming out to celebrate veterans. We're going to have our mayor there. He's going to kick off the fireworks, because we have a free fireworks display that starts pretty much at dark. And it seems like a lot of people are doing this right now because people they want to get out of the house.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Over 10 years doing this, you've seen you even did it during COVID and stuff, just battled your way through that.
Well, sure, where it's outside and people just want to get out, even though COVID was there, people still wanted to get outside. And so we battled through it. It's going to be a great event this year, and we're looking forward to a great turnout.
What does it take to put together an event of this size?
You know what, it takes a lot of people. It takes a lot of people that are willing to be obedient and say, I do. We're going to have tons of cookies. We probably are going to have 1,000 cookies, baked by people from our church. We're going to have people that are coming out to just serve, because if you're going to cook up 1,000 hot dogs and 1,000 hamburgers, it takes a long time to do that. And so thankful for the volunteers at Emmanuel Baptist.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else you want to mention about?
Nope. Just be there and be ready. Webb City Fire Department's going to be there with sprinkler systems, and it will be hot. Nick said that, so we're going to rely on that, and the rain will stay away. So just come out and be ready to have a good time.
Well, and the great part about it doesn't start till 6, so it's started with that evening cool off. It's getting there, and you'll have the sprinklers.
We'll have the sprinklers. We're also going to have a patriotic service. Starts at 8 o'clock. So that's hosted by our pastor. Kyle Beverlin, and it's just going to be a great day. I'm super excited to be a part of it.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in, Patrick.
Appreciate it.
Hope you have a great showing this
weekend.
All right. We'll be right back.